channel.
Employment gaps the youth are actually lacking. As a workers' representative, I've seen it all because we have the youth now on the street, and it has led to the emergence of what we call Awor in Lango.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
My name is Awor Angweri. I represent the workers' female Lira City Council, also contesting to be the mayor of Lira City. I want to take this opportunity to thank you, Your Excellency. As a workers' representative, I have been presented with very many petitions coming from Badabadas, coming from the ghetto youth, coming from all sectors, including the road users. Your Excellency, I have a complaint coming from Badabadas in Lango sub-region, not necessarily Lira City only, but Lango sub-region, that they already have a registered circle, which they are pleading with you that you kindly put some little money to support them in their circles so that in due time they will be bringing in bodabodas and lending it to the bodabodas and then other members of the society that needs bodabodas on loan. Because what they are getting now, the interest rate on those loans are too much. It is actually more than double. Because if you get a motorcycle 5.8 million, you pay up to 12 million. That is too much, Your Excellency. So we are requesting you to help them put some little money in their circle. Two, employment gaps. The youth are actually lacking employment. As a workers' representative, I've seen it all because we have the youth now on the street. And it has led to the emergence of what we call a walk in Lango, which used not to be there, Your Excellency. So I'm begging that you reinstate Lira spinning mill, you reinstate the cassava factory, and then Awor Industrial Park be given a priority, Your Excellency, as you take on your next term in office, Your Excellency. Number three, Lira City also lacks roads equipment. The roads in Lira City is impassable, Your Excellency. Above all, you promised in 2019, it was a pledge from you, Your Excellency, that you will work on Lira University Road. I want to bring to your attention, it is still pending. We don't know the reason, Your Excellency. We want to bring it back to your attention. And then also, Lira City West Division is ranked number 3 entire Uganda in the crime rate, Your Excellency. But one time, one person was shot in front of my gate, and I saw the DPC using a boda to reach out to the crime scene. This was very bad, Your Excellency. So I'm begging as a workers' representative that probably you help them with a patrol car so that they'll be moving in a patrol car. The ghetto youth as well are requesting you that you help them with a jet car wash, or we open a wash point for them to make them busy, and also a welding machine, Your Excellency. This will help them to uplift their livelihood and also help in the wealth creation, as you always emphasize in the PDM. It is also my pleasure that, Your Excellency, you also consider Lango sub-region. At least to help us with a permanent secretary, because we are lacking almost everywhere in the industries. So, Your Excellency, this is my humble submission to your table. I beg to submit, Your Excellency, and wish you well, wish you success in your forthcoming election. We shall actually give you a bonus vote. It is a bonus term to reward you for steering Uganda all this time and for being a great father to this nation. I say this for God and my country.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.